What are triggers? How to test these triggers? Let's see in this video. Hi, I'm Bhagyashri and I welcome you to all to AxelBuzz testing, where you will learn in easy simple way. Let's get started. What are triggers? A trigger is a special type of store procedure that automatically runs when an event occurs in a database server. DML triggers run when server tries to modify the data through a data manipulation language event. DML events are insert, update, delete statement or table or row view. There are two types of triggers occurring on the event: before triggers and after triggers. Before trigger fires before the insert, update and delete statement. After trigger fires after insert, update and delete statement executed. Advantages and disadvantages of triggers. Triggers provide another way to check the integrity of the data. Triggers handle errors from the database layer. Normally, triggers can be useful for inspecting the data changes in the table. Triggers give alternative way to run scheduled tasks. Using triggers, we don't have to wait for the scheduled events to run because triggers are invoked automatically before and after the changes made in the database. Let's see the disadvantages now. Triggers can provide only extended validations, not all kinds of validations. For simple validation, you cannot use not null, unique, check, and foreign key constraints. Triggers are very difficult to troubleshoot because they execute automatically in the database, which may not be visible to the client's application. Let's see how to test this trigger now. I will show how to write the triggers and then I will show you test cases how to test these triggers. So let's get started now. So this is our trigger. Trigger name is before work insert and this is inserted on before insert on work table. So I have created work table and work status. Two tables I have created. I will show you. So these are two tables I have created where there will be one ID, one name and one capacity of the machine, and work status is total capacity of the machine. So here I have declared row count and actually basically this trigger says that I have work table in which I have capacity of some machine quantity. Then in second work status I have to show total capacity. So wherever my first record is inserted in work table, the capacity will get updated. Whenever second record will get inserted on work table, the total capacity becomes your old capacity plus new capacity, and that becomes your total capacity in work status, and that will fire automatically for us. So this is our trigger, and if you want to see how many triggers your database has, then show trigger command you have to execute, and you will see there is one trigger currently available in before work insert, and you will see all the result here. This is our test case sheet. These are I have written only for before trigger. You can write for after triggers also, and you can check for all the DML statements also, like update, delete. I have show you only inserted statements. So let's see our test cases. Our first test case is check the triggers. So we will test with this query show triggers, and we will check how many triggers are currently available. Then our test case second is insert one record in work table. So whatever work table we have, we'll insert one work record there, and we'll check whether our trigger is fired or not, and whether our work table is updated or not. Same with the third test case. So let's see one by one. In MySQL Workbench software, here we have created one work table and one work status table. So first of all, let's drop the table if there are any similar tables available. So I am dropping, and there is no such table exist because there are no tables, so it is throwing errors. So let's create the first table, work table. Work table has been created. Now let's create work status table. This table is also created. Let's run this command, show triggers. That will show you how many triggers are there in your database. So currently I have only one trigger in my database before work insert. So all the information you'll get here. So our first test case is pass. Is this insert one record into work table? We have one insert query. Let's see whether this query executes or not, and we'll check our value is automatically successfully inserted. So then our next thing is we have to check whether our work table and work status is updated or not, so that we will get to know whether our trigger is fired successfully or not. First of all, our work table, one record is inserted, and this is our work status. Work status is also updated, so our trigger has been fired and value has been changed to 200. Correct. So let's see our another record is inserted or not. One more record here, insert into work length and 200. Let's see our work status got updated or not. We'll see whether our work status is work table is updated or not with 2 records. See, our work table is updated with the 2 records. Our work status is updated or not. 400. See, so 200 plus 200, 400. Let's get updated. So this is it. This is how we test the triggers in database testing. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. If you have any queries, please comment down. We'll post our videos soon. Till then, happy testing. Bye bye.